Let's look at this grouping where we are looking at system of inequalities. Now, what's going to happen with your system of inequalities is like your system of equations. You're going to put data all together and then see what data is going to relate to everything in that system. And in this case, we are going to solve this like a normal inequality or a linear inequality, as we're going to isolate the y, we're going to graph it, but we're going to graph multiple things on one example. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take 4x minus 3y less than or equal to 9, and I want to solve for y so that I can get everything in that y equals mx plus b form so I can graph that correctly. And so I'm going to subtract the 4x, and that gives me negative 3y is less than or equal to negative 4x plus 9. Then I'm trying to get this y by itself, so I'm going to divide everything by negative 3. So it gives me y. Now, negative 4 over negative 3 is a positive 4 over 3x. 9 over negative 3 is minus 3. And because we divided everything by a negative, we're going to flip that inequality. So I'm going to go ahead and first take this inequality, like you've seen before, and I'm going to graph it. So that means I'm going to have a dot at negative 3. And then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. And then I can put my new dot. Now I am going to create this line. This is a solid line because it's equal to. So I'm going to create my straight line here. And then I'm going to do my shading, and I'll coordinate my shading here. I want y's that are greater than that line, so that means I want this shaded area right here. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to look at my second equation. That was x plus 3y is greater than 6. And again, I want to isolate that y. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. It gives me 3y is greater than negative x plus 6. And then divide everything by 3. So it gives me y is greater than negative 1/3 x plus 2. So again, I'm going to graph that on my coordinate plane that I've already been working with. So that would start at positive 2. It would go down 1 and to the right 3. Now with this one, it is not equal to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a dotted line to represent this. And then it says that y is greater than that, so I'm going to shade. So again, I'm going to kind of coordinate my colors here, so I'll use pink. And so it would be this area where those solutions lie. Now, our goal was to find a solution to the system. So where are the answers to the system of equations, this whole group of equations? It's going to be in here where the double shaded is. So this would be your solution set. And so you can see that everything has built from simple inequalities to compound inequalities and then to linear inequalities and now a system of inequalities. Go and attempt the homework. If you need any assistance, please reach out.